Hello guys, once again it's me Manu Mehra here. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a splash screen along with the login activity. So after you watching this video you will be able to create a splash screen and with the login activity. So let me show you what we are going to do. So let me run you my app first that we are going to build. So you can see here a splash screen, animated splash screen, your logo, your app name, and a simple login screen. So let's start. Click on file. We'll create a new project. And write a name. I'm making it a splash with login. Okay. And I already teach you about the domain name and project location, so I'm not explaining you about it. So I'm just clicking on next, and then I'm choose phone and tablet for it, because we are making a app for phone and tablet. So minimum SDK version 21, and then click next, and then simple, I'm choosing an empty activity here and click on next, and then finish. So now you can see here splash with login project is created now. So now we have to do something. We have to put some code here. So firstly I'm going to put some dependency and repository file here. So I have my one repository and one dependency file. So I'm just copy and paste this two code in my, and then putting this code in my Gradle build Gradle module, and after putting it just sync your project. And I will write down this two repository and dependency in comment section, and I will also put this code in my blog, so you can download this whole code. So after you putting this one repository and dependency file, you will able to extend your class with the Avisham splash activity. So now I'm extend my main activity with Avisham splash activity. So it's saying some error. So after it you have to delete this on create method. So now we have to put two method inside our class. Just copy this two method and then paste here. I will put this text file in my blog. You can download it and do. So firstly there is some error, we have to resolve it. For resolving this error, just put your cursor on the error text and then press Alt Enter. It will automatically implement import the class file that it required. So there is a flag file is also missing. I'm just putting Alt Enter. It will automatically import this file, class file. So now you can see here there is no error left. Our code is good. So now we have to put, I miss one method here. This is called this method is missing, so I'm also put this method. So now you can see the error is gone. Actually I forgot to put this animation.finish method in my class, so that error was showing. So now you can see here our code is good, looking good, no error found. So I'm just discuss little about our code. So you can see here there is a two method init splash and and animation finished method. So in init splash screen will initialize our starting splash screen properties. So if you want to set background color, you can set your background color here. You can set duration, you can set right and bottom, and you can set your logo here. You can set splash duration here, and you can set techniques like how your logo will show in. Like I'm setting here bouncing, so my logo will bouncing after the animation completed. So you can set lots of properties here. I can set color for stroke color, path stroke color, and I can set filling duration. So there is a lots of simple properties here you can set using a config splash method. So you can see title here, you can set text color and lots of text, title size and all. So there is a second method, that is the animation dot finish method. So what we are going to do, we are going to open a login screen after splash finish. So I'm going to create a new activity, login activity. Just click on your package, right click on your package and click on new, and then click on activity, and then login activity, and then finish. It will automatically create a login screen for you. You just have to call, or you just have to open it. So now I'm going to open my login activity after my animation is finished. So I'm going to open my login activity using a start activity method. So let's call it start activity. Inside I will create an intent object, new intent, and then putting my current activity name and my activity where I'm going. So after this I'm going to open login activity. So I'm putting the login activity here, and you can see our code is good, looking good. Now run and check program and check whether it's run or not. So let's click on play button, Android, my emulator, and let's see what will happen. So let me run it. Usually it's take time in virtual device, so I suggest you guys to always choose real devices for debug your app, because it's take less time. So you can see, as expected, emulator is running, our splash is running, our logo is showing here, our text which we declared here is showing here, and the login screen is showing here. So hope you guys like it. So please don't forget to subscribe for more video, and please put your comment. If you have any query, I will resolve on TeamViewer, and if you have any kind of error, you can contact me. So thank you guys, bye bye.